The 2020 Queensland state election was held on 31 October to elect all 93 members to the Legislative Assembly of Queensland. As of 1 November 2020, with 63.2% of votes counted, the Labor Party will return to government for a third term, led by incumbent Premier Annastacia Palaszczuk. With 47 seats needed to form a majority government, ABC News predicts that Labor will win up to 52 and the Liberal National Party will win 34. The Queensland Greens have also won South Brisbane from Jackie Trad, becoming their second seat in the state legislature alongside Maiwar with Michael Berkman. At 11 p.m. on 31 October, opposition leader Deb Frecklington conceded defeat, congratulating Palaszczuk on the election. Having achieved a third term with this election, Palaszczuk became the first woman to win 3 elections in Australian history. Results are not final. Last updated at 1 November 2020 at 16:45 Est. Members in italics did not re-contest their seats at this election. At the 2017 election, Labor won majority with 48 of 93 seats and formed government in the 56th Queensland Parliament. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.